Today we are talking about anchors for hanging mechanical and plumbing equipment from the underside of concrete slabs. Traditionally, we would have used a drop-in anchor for this application. Drop-in anchors were reasonably practical because they were cheap, they were quick to install, and when they were installed correctly, they were quite strong. However, now with seismic and cracked concrete conditions, we can no longer use drop-in anchors. The industry then moved to anchors that had seismic ratings, such as an expansion anchor with washer and a coupling nut. An expansion anchor was never designed for this application, hence why it comes with a standard nut and a coupling nut had to be bought separately. Expansion anchors were also a lot more cumbersome and took a lot more time to install. Now we have an anchor that's not only practical for this application in terms of speed of installation and ease of installation, but it is fully seismic rated and cracked concrete approved, the new DEWALT Hangermate. To install this version of the Hangermate, which accepts a 3/8 threaded rod for hanging 4-inch diameter pipe and less, and it has a 1/4 inch by 1 5/8 length shank. As this is a 1/4 inch diameter shank, we need to drill a 1/4 inch hole with a 1/4 inch drill bit. The depth of the hole needs to be at least the length of the anchor, which is 1 5/8. The depth of the hole can be set with the gauge on the rotary hammer, by wrapping tape around the drill bit itself, or by setting the gauge on this vacuum that we're using here. Once we have the hole drilled, we use an impact driver plus socket. The impact that we are using is to have a maximum of 150 foot-pounds of torque, or 203 Newton meters. We put the anchor into the socket. We place the anchor up against the hole and put a little bit of weight behind the tool. It is important to remember that when drilling holes or installing anchors, safety goggles are to be worn. And that is how quick and easy it is to install the DEWALT Hangermate anchor.